Hiho everybody! So in last week's video I showed you how I made this magical guitar, and at the end of that video I promised you a dedicated sound comparison video, and that's what we're going to do today. Because I'm a bit of a noob when it comes to all that technique stuff, I enlisted the help of my brother, huge shout out by the way, and yeah, today we're recording the audio. Just a little disclaimer before though, I'm only a mediocre player and, as I said, a bit of a technology noob, so there's quite some room for human error. I personally think that she is a bit nicer to play now that I've customized her, but that could be confirmation bias considering that the varnish is a lot thinner and a lot more flexible now than the original one was. But well, see for yourself if you can hear a difference. And I still hope that this sound comparison is helpful, because I would have loved to find a video like this before I started this art project. So I do hope this was interesting, helpful, informative, or just maybe enjoyable to watch. Now, if you do want to get this lovely owl as a sticker, you can check out my Redbubble store. I've got it on various products actually, like some face coverings, for example, because, you know, ye old plague and stuff. We have mugs and clocks and
bottles.
Water bottles. Yeah. Today I'm also going to add another design. I'm not quite sure what it will be, something relating to this guitar though. I also have a few older designs, so definitely check that out. Yeah, furthermore, you can find me on Instagram and DeviantART. Links will all be down in the description. And yeah, if you're so interested, you can even go and check out my brother's Instagram. He does some really cool analog photography, if that's something you'd like. So, again, we'll see each other next week. And in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun stuff.